Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for level designer who wants to have better hierarchy in their editor. It is really easy to use, just clicking on package manager and download it. But it is very helpful for better understanding which object we have in the scene and also how we can categorize them and lay out them on our hierarchy. Alright, stop here and go to this page. It is on assetstore.unity.com, which means hierarchy designer, which has been made by Pedro Verfa. And thanks to him for this great package. As you can see, it is just 600 kilobytes, almost 700 kilobytes, and it is free to use. You just need to sign in within your email address into the asset store and click on this button. For now I already clicked it, and here you will go to the package manager into the your Unity and go to my assets, and here you will see hierarchy designer. Click on download and import it to your project. After that you will see everything on the hierarchy will be like this: main camera, which shows the tag, layer, and the all component has been attached to this object. No need to click on this object and jump to the inspector. Here you can see the summary of inspector. For example, let me go to another scene. Look at this. It is canvas. It is raw image. Untagged. The layer is UI. And here, if you click on raw image, you will see the raw image component directly in front of you. No need to look in for that. And if you change anything here, it affects on the main component. For example, I enable it, and right now this is disabled, and now again it's like that. If I change the color, it affects on the main one. So it is very easy to manage your hierarchy, and it is helpful for better understanding of your object. For example, I'm adding sphere. Look at this sphere. Let me change the tag, editor only, and layer will be water. Look at this, editor only, water, and it's a mesh filter, mesh renderer, and collider. I disable the collider, and now there is no collider here. I enable it. Again, we have sphere collider. Actually, this video clip is just for introduction of this package. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.